Today, we're going to be doing a relaxation meditation using Starhawks' spiral dance. Check it out. Hello, my beautiful friends. Thanks again for joining me today. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Tanya. Today, I'm going to be leading you through a relaxation meditation using Starhawks' spiral dance. This can be done in a group, in a couple, or alone. The first thing I want you to do is to lie down on your back and close your eyes. Take a few cleansing breaths just to get you settled. You're going to want to loosen any tight clothing, just kind of wiggle around until you're fully relaxed and lying on the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In order to know how relaxation feels, we must first experience tension. We're going to tense all the muscles of the body one by one and keep them tense until we relax our entire bodies with one breath. Don't clench the muscles so they cramp. Just tense them lightly. Start with your toes. Tense the toes in your right foot. Now, your left foot. Tense your right foot and your left foot, your right ankle and your left ankle. Continue throughout the whole body, part by part. From time to time, remind yourself to tense any muscles that you have let slack. Now tense your scalp. Your whole body is tense. Feel the tension in every part. Tense any muscles that have gone slack. Now take a deep breath. Pause. Exhale and relax. Relax completely. You are completely and totally relaxed. Your fingers are relaxed. Your toes are relaxed. Your hands are relaxed. And your feet are relaxed. Your wrists are relaxed. And your ankles are relaxed. Through the entire body, periodically pause and think about how you are completely and totally relaxed. Completely and totally relaxed. Your body is light. It feels like water, like it is melting into the earth. Allow yourself to drift and float peacefully in your state of relaxation. If any worries or anxieties disturb your peace, imagine they drain from your body like water and melt into the earth. Feel yourself being healed and renewed. When you are ready, open your eyes. You should feel completely and totally relaxed. Practice this meditation every day until you are able to just lay down and let go. This exercise is really useful for people who are going into magical practices or any kind of energy work. It's good to sit, calm yourself, and return to center. Easiest way to do that, tense all your muscles, hold, and then relax, and then concentrate on each of those muscles relaxing in turn. until your whole body is grounded and centered. Thanks again for joining me today. Remember, the hardest part is getting started.